recognize and appreciate you. Please be upstanding. Give them another round of appreciation. Multi-stakeholder groups, I just want to donate 30 seconds to...
We really want to encourage the young people in Kenya that employment you have to create for yourself, and the manufacturing sector has a lot of opportunity, both goods that we will consume within Kenya and goods that we can export within the East African community. Remember, if you make goods within Kenya, you can export to Uganda, to Tanzania, to Burundi, DRC, duty-free, quota-free. We have opened markets in Europe, in China. In fact, now the challenge that we have is we have opened up such a huge market, we are unable to supply, and yet Kenyans are complaining about poverty and lack of employment. So what I want to encourage Kenyans is those of us who have a bit of resources, let's think about investing in manufacturing as a way of doing business.